Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Dian bin Muhammad Nafri and my matrix number is 88200888. So I'm gonna explain about the objective of our lab report. So the objective is our lab report is to evaluate a fluid through a pipe, and any sort of fluid may be made to move faster at any point along a pipe using Bernoulli's theorem.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aizudin bin Sarifuddin. So I will present about the additional theory. So first, a Venturi operates by determining the difference in pressure between 2 points. The pressure difference is created by reducing the diameter of the pipe, causing the fluid to flow faster. So the fast moving fluid has a lower pressure than the slow fluid in the larger section of the venturi. So next, a venturi meter may also be used to enhance the velocity of any type of fluid in a pipe at any point. So it's basically works on the principle of Bernoulli theorem. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afiq Naufal bin Muhammad Rashid. So I will present about the discussion part. As you can see from the graph showing that the linear connection between the pressure and the flow rate. We can see that the values of P2 and P1 fall as the flow rate lowers, showing that as the flow rate is increasing, the head loss also decrease, and it also decrease as velocity is increasing.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Syazwan Amali bin Jamaluddin and my matrix number is AA200277. And I'm going to continue about the procedure. Step 1. The delivery valve is fully open and the inlet valve is entirely closed prior to the experiment. Step 2. Both the main switch and the motor drive isolator are turned on. Additionally, the start button has been pressed. Next, step 3. We gradually open the pump inlet to a low and a halfway position. Before the speed reach 1000 rpm, we open the inlet valve to its full opening while gradually increasing the speed using the motor control. Step 4. Then we raise the speed to 3000 rpm and check to make sure the pump was free of bubbles. Next is step 5. To make sure there are no air bubbles within, the pressure line is examined. All pressure gauges are bled via the bleed line if there are still bubbles. Step 6. The P1 and P2 values were taken after the system had balance. After that, step 7. Every 0.05 bar, the inflow valve is closed to change the value of P2. To get 6 sets of data, repeat the procedure. Last step, step 8, the entrance valve is completely closed at the end of experiment as the speed is gradually decreased. The main power supply and the motor pump will then turn off. That's all from me, thank you.
So to conclude our lab report, the conclusion is in a Venturi meter, flow rate and pressure are connected. So in this experiment, we use the Bernoulli equation to determine the velocity. So the actual and calculated result of this experiment were two separated results. So based on the outcome, a graph of P2 versus Q and P1 versus Q was created. And the experiment goal was revealed to be that what we wanted at the conclusion of the study. And the experiment has a number of challenges that must be addressed in order to be successful. For instance, the bubbles in the tube must be black in order to obtain an accurate result. So that's all from our group. Thank you.